Hi everyone, Ben Jones here. Hey, I got a little package in the mail today. I wanted to show you what it is. So I opened it up and it's my latest book, AI Literacy Fundamentals, helping you join the AI conversation. There it is. So I want to just kind of show it to you a bit, get your hands on it. It's nice. It's a couple hundred pages long. Got amazing diagrams, good cover from Ali Torben, as well as some incredible artwork and diagrams that help explain some of the concepts in the book. We tried to make it easier for people to understand some of the tricky concepts of machine learning and deep learning. And also, even in one of the chapters toward the end, there is kind of a magazine style, really, series of images and graphs that walk through the benefits and harms, or actually myths and truths of AI, as you can see here. Also in the back, there's a glossary with almost 100 words that are really important for everyone to know about AI. I dedicated this book to my son, Aaron, who's currently at the University of Washington studying informatics and data and analytics. And so, he's a great student, a great person. And I've really kind of have a lot of hope for the future generations when I see how willing he is to dive in and learn new things. And I think that it bodes well for the people coming behind us here, that they're going to take all these technologies that we're creating and do good with them. I think it's in the balance right now as far as AI and whether it's going to be helpful to society and to individuals, or maybe it's going to be harmful. We already know it is in some ways. And so we try to address that in the book and help you understand a balanced perspective. I think there's a lot of hype out there, marketing hype, people trying to make a lot of money off AI. There's a lot of fear out there, people trying to, steer people away from any usage at all of it. And that's understandable because it's a very powerful set of technologies, potentially transformational, potentially very disruptive to many industries. So what we tried to do is cut through all that noise, give you a bit of a perspective about what it is, and also the field and its history. Also diving into some of the most important modern day concepts within AI, like machine learning and deep learning. And then, help you understand the societal and personal angles, whether that's the benefits and harms or the myths and the truths, so that you can join the AI conversation. Because the thing is, there's a lot of very important conversations happening right now in government, in our companies, in our societies. And it's important that you are informed and educated about what AI is. It's important that you feel like you can join that conversation, make your voice heard, so that we can steer this in the right direction. All right, more coming on AI. I think AI literacy is a critical topic. Of course, we believe strongly in data literacy as being a major gap. And I think what we're seeing now is that is such an important gap to close because of the way data is used in modern AI to train these models that are really having a huge impact on everyday life. And so, please do pick up a copy. I hope you enjoy it. I hope if you do get a copy, if you could leave me a rating and review, I'd really be grateful. It means a lot to the algorithms in Amazon, specifically to people looking for books. So if you could take the time to do that, I'd really appreciate it. How can you get the book? You can buy it on Amazon, the paperback right here. Also, there's a version for your Kindle on Amazon. On our own site here in Data Literacy, we have an interactive PDF that you can buy for $9.99 to get your hands on it and to search through it electronically, digitally. Additionally, anyone who enrolls in AI Literacy Fundamentals, the course, which we just launched last month, also gets a free digital copy of the book. That includes corporate groups that sign up that go through that content, that material with us as live instructors, or if they just take it on demand in their own learning management system, that works too. Okay, I'll sign off now. Thanks for paying attention and for all the support you've been giving me, my amazing team at Data Literacy. That's Becky Jones, who runs all the sales and business development. You all know Ali Torben, an amazing author and creator, data visualizer, podcaster in her own right. Megan Hanno, who does a lot of our operations and keeps things running, builds our courses for us. So we got a great little team, and we love doing what we're doing and making a difference. So hopefully that helps you too. Okay, take care, everyone. Talk to you soon. Bye.